Stop. Okay, bring the pallet jacks over here.
We need these logged by the hour mark. Keep them moving.
Crate 34B is overweight. Adjusting the count now.
Keep the line moving. We need more trays. Watch the quality on the left side. The efficiency metrics on the second rinse cycle are still low.
Yes, the flow rate needs adjustment to optimize the process.
The concentration is holding steady right at the target line.
Good. Cross-check the flow rate on the secondary injector.
Right here, the density is off by 10%.
Confirmed. The microscopic structure is compromised.
The color needs really not vibrant.
If we increase the saturation, we lose the luminescence. It has to match the sketch precisely.
The flow rate is within tolerance. No grittiness dissected.
Color consistency is approved.
The brown section is coming through now. Looks good, no wrinkles yet.
Pressure is holding steady at 200 psi. Good. The finish looks perfect.
Okay, green smooth goes here.
And the brown textured in aisle 4.
All right, everyone, let's go. Start the line now.
The stitching is perfect on this batch.
The gold really holds up well. Send it to finishing.
The buttons are secure now.
Good. The lapel needs to lay completely flat against the texture.
This brown satchel is absolutely stunning. The texture is perfect.
I agree completely. The team did an incredible job with the finish.
Yeah.